Grade 7, Chapter 8, Supplementary Reader, The Bear Story, Solution, Summary and Question Answers. Summary: The Bear Story. Once there lived a lady on the border of a big forest. She found a bear cub in the forest. It was starving. It was quite helpless. The lady had to bring it up on the bottle. The cook helped her. After many years, it grew up to a big and strong bear. However, he was a most amiable bear. He harmed neither man nor beast. There were 3 mountain ponies in the stable. Even these ponies did not feel frightened when he walked into the stable. He also looked amicably at the cattle. The children used to ride on his back. They had also been found asleep in his kennel between his 2 paws. The 3 Lapland dogs loved to play with him. They pulled his ears and teased him in every way. He did not mind it at all. The bear ate the same food as the dogs. He ate bread, porridge, potatoes, cabbages, and turnips. He had a good appetite. He used to see with wistful eyes at apples in the orchard. He was not allowed to climb the tree and eat them. He had also been taught not to touch the beehive. He was once put on the chain for 2 days when he had touched the beehives. Otherwise, he was chained only at night. Like a dog, a bear also does not like to be chained. The lady visited her sister every Sunday. This sister lived on the other side of the mountain lake. It was not safe to go with the bear through the forest. So on the Sundays, the bear was on chain the whole afternoon. One Sunday, while walking through the dense forest, she found the bear following her. The lady was very angry. There was no time to take him back home. She did not even want him to come with her. She told him in her hardest tone to go back. She threatened him with her parasol. The bear did not seem to want to obey her. Then the lady saw that bear and even lost his new collar. She hit the bear with her parasol so hard that it broke into two. The bear stopped and opened his mouth several times as if wanting to say something. Then he turned round and went back. However, he stopped now and then to look back at the lady. At last, she lost sight of him. The lady came back home in the evening. She found the bear looking very sorry for himself. It was so because he had been sitting there the whole day. Sitting in the same position, he had been waiting for the lady. The lady was still very angry. She began to scold the bear. She said that he would be chained for 2 more days as punishment. The old cook heard the lady and rushed out from the kitchen. She loved the bear as her own son. She asked the lady to bless him instead of scolding him. The bear, she said, had been sitting there all day as meek as an angel. It was then that lady realized she had met another bear in the forest. Now answer the following question. First question: where did the lady find the bear cub? How did she bring it up? The lady found the bear cub in the forest near her house. She fed him with bottled milk. Her cook helped her in this task. Second question: the bear grew up, but he was a most amiable bear. Give 3 examples to prove this. The friendly bear was harmless. He watched amicably at the cattle grazing in the field. The children used to ride in his back safely. The 3 dogs loved to play all sorts of game with him, pull his ears, stamp his tail, and tease him every way. Third question. What did the bear eat? There are two things he was not allowed to do. What were they? The bear ate the same food as the dog. He was given bread, porridge, potatoes, cabbages, and turnips. He was a vegetarian. He liked the apple most. He was not allowed to pluck apples from the tree and attack the beehive. When was the bear tied up with a chain? Why? That is fourth question. The bear was usually tied up with a chain only at night and on Sundays when the lady visited her sister for lunch. Fifth question. What happened one Sunday when the lady was going to her sister's house? What did the lady do? What was the bear's reaction? One Sunday, while the lady was on the way to her sister's house, she heard the cracking of the branches behind her. She saw the bear following her. She punished him by hitting him on his nose with her umbrella. The bear turned round and went back. Sixth question. Why was the bear looking sorry for himself in the evening? Why did the cook get angry with her mistress? The bear looked sad when the lady came back home in the evening. The poor creature had been in chains all day. He was kept waiting for the mistress to come and set him free. The mistress scolded the bear for following her in the forest. The cook got angry. She told her mistress that the bear had been sitting gently all day and he didn't to be treated harshly anymore. And discuss the following topics in groups. First question is, most people keep dogs and cats as pet. Can you think of some unusual pets that people keep? Unusual pets that people often keep are wolves, bears, tigers, snakes, and even crocodiles. And the second question is, the second bear did not attack the lady because he was afraid of her. Do you agree? The lady, while crossing, found a raw bear. It seemed he has taken aback to see the self-confidence of the lady. Her fearful behavior. So more questions solved. Short answer type question. First question is, all these are extra questions for you. In what ways did the bear become the lady's pet animal? Lady gave milk to a half-dead bear and brought him up. The bear was friendly towards the dog, children and other cattle grazing in the field. In this way, he became the lady's pet animal. How did the bear grow up a vegetarian? The bear cub was brought up on milk bottle. He was kept on bread, vegetables, and fruit. He never tasted meat, so he grew up as a vegetarian. Why did the bear climb up a tree and eat the apples? The bear was fond of apples. He saw the apple trees in the orchard. He could not resist the temptation and climbed up the tree and ate the apples. He was a bear. How was a bear punished when he attacked a beehive? The bear was hit on his nose which bleed. He was put up in chain for 2 days. Fifth question. Why did the lady chain the bear on Sundays? The lady used to go to her sister's house on Sundays. She chained the bear lest he could wander in the forest in her absence. She also feared that he would turn into a wild bear. Sixth question. The cook loved the bear like her own son. Justify. The cook had brought up the baby bear on bottle milk. The lady wanted to punish the bear by chaining him for 2 days. The cook told the lady that the bear had not gone anywhere. She saved the bear from punishment. It shows that the cook loved the bear like her own son. Long answer question. First one. Give the characteristic sketch of the bear in the bear story. The baby bear was brought up on milk. He ate only vegetarian food. He never tasted meat. He liked apples and honey. He never attacked the animals. He entered the stables of mountain ponies in a friendly manner. The dogs played with him and pulled his ear and tails. The children enjoyed a ride on his back. He was quite friendly with children and other animals. He was a gentle animal. He was a favorite of both the lady and the cook. Give the sketch of the lady in the bear story. The lady is very kind. Once she finds a baby bear cub in the forest, she tames the baby bear. She brings him up like her own son. She feeds him on milk bottle. She gives him an apple to eat every day. She gives him vegetarian diet. Sometimes she punishes the bear for his bad behavior. She pets him before chaining. The lady is very bold. She crosses the forest alone fearlessly. She hits the wild bear hard when he chases her in the forest. Thank you.